But there are a number of us who stood tall and said we have to do the right thing to make sure that we're ensuring the health, safety, and welfare of all those traveling through Pennsylvania and making sure that we can move goods through Pennsylvania to revitalize our economy. Last year, in December, the governor stood tall at a meeting, early morning meeting with labor leaders and business leaders, announced he wanted to unveil his transportation plan and in earnest take on the transportation package. And then in February, at budget, he announced his transportation plan, which gave us the green light, if you'll pardon the pun, to go forward to enact our transportation plan, and working in conjunction with the governor and a man